Why, hi there. My name is Kat. I have your astrology forecast starting today, Sunday, November 7th, going all the way through Saturday, November the 13th. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. Let's get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the darkness, all the negativity. It's all flowing out of our bodies, and it's being replaced by this beautiful white light. We see this white light not only filling our entire bodies with white light, love, and the will to good, we see it going out and forming a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected to our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. We're going to say the affirmation together, and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. Good, good. Always good to keep those 3 deep cleansing breaths in your back pocket anytime you need to recenter, you need to calm yourself, or you're ready to go into a particularly uncomfortable situation. Always keep those handy. I have to tell you guys, I have missed you. My goodness, have I missed seeing you every day. I really missed it badly last week, I gotta be honest. But the good news is I've been taking my website classes, and I'm almost ready to start actually building a website. I'm very excited. It's going to be so cool. So just hang tight with me, and that website, I will keep you posted on when that will be open for business and ready and available for everyone to come and check out. So please hang with me until then. I really appreciate it. Okay, remember last week, so we had this affirmation, spiritual warrior am I? Did we have to really work with that last week, being the spiritual warrior? My God, we were pummeled. Boom, 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 boom. People trying to take our stuff, people trying to take our partner, whatever it was. And now, this week, it finally all comes together, and we're all playing a little bit nicer together, except for Thursday, when it's like a quiz, a pop quiz. Did you learn how to be that spiritual warrior? Have you learned how to hold true to your beliefs and your ethics and what's good for you, and not allowing others to put their power over you, to manipulate and control you and take your stuff? We've been working on that real hard. Well, it's going to be tested again on Thursday. But for today, we have the moon in Capricorn, and we are really thinking about, a lot of us are thinking about these life changes. We've been thinking about them for pretty much a year, pretty much since the pandemic started. We've been thinking about maybe changing our life course, or changing our career, or changing our situation to better reflect us and what we need in life to be fulfilled, both financially, emotionally, spiritually. That's more than both, isn't it? Well, for all that stuff. So we have been thinking about that, and we continue to think about that today. We might want to discuss some of those ideas and options we have come up with either our significant other or someone we can like bounce our ideas off of, a good friend, a family member. Maybe we want to receive some counseling, some career counseling. These are the things to help us really get a better feel for what we want to move forward with. Is it a new relationship? Is it a new job or career? Is it a project? Is it a situation? Whatever it is that we're working on, that we are making new and improved. It's innovative. That's what we're continuing to work on Sunday. Now on Monday, I want to also bring in, on Monday, the discussion continues, and we continue to look for outside support if needed, or just to bounce ideas off our friends or our significant her significant other. I don't know what I was trying to say, but some of us may be looking at changing our career to a health-related profession. We may have been in a financial profession, and we're finding that a medical profession is we feel much more fulfilled and have a more significant purpose doing something like that. Some of us are switching it the other way. We may be coming from a health-related profession and thinking of moving into a financial profession. So whatever the career changes that we are looking at right now, or the situation changes, they could be some pretty significant changes that not only significantly affect us, but could also significantly affect our pocketbooks as well. So we're trying to get everything aligned and everything balanced, and we're using all our resources, including our higher self, checking in with our higher self every day. I was going to say every morning, if that doesn't work for you, whenever. It's as long as it's the same time. It's always best to check in with our higher self at the same time of the day so they know we're coming. And don't forget the 15-minute guided meditation that I have out on the meditation playlist for any of us who need some help meditating and connecting with our higher self. This is the most important habit you can form right now in this grand earth transition, is getting in the habit of checking in with our higher self on a daily basis. Doesn't matter if it's 5 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, just do it. All right, back to the regularly scheduled video. So we are working on really making these life changes, seeing how they're going to affect us, seeing how they affect the others. We are playing them off each other's. We're feeling our power coming back from last week. And on Tuesday, we have the moon in Capricorn sextiling Neptune in Pisces, and we have the moon is also conjunct Pluto in Capricorn. So we're feeling our power coming back on Tuesday. We're feeling more confident in this change that we're making on Tuesday. And we're getting the support that we need to make this change. And we're getting buy-in from others. Everyone is finally starting working together, and they're starting to see where we're coming from. And they're looking at how they can support us and help make this happen for us. Now, tonight on Tuesday night, the moon goes into Aquarius, and then on Wednesday, I think I said Thursday, but it's really Wednesday, We get the pop quiz, all this wonderful energy that we've come up with on Tuesday, feeling our power, feeling our confidence coming back, feeling ready to move forward with our life change. We're ready to go. And then guess what? Wednesday, boom. Every obstacle, every challenge will come out to test us, including authority who will use manipulation and control to make us veer into their direction and not follow what we know to be true for us. So we will be tested. So be ready, be conscious on Wednesday, and don't give up any of our power to anyone. Keep it within. And it's just a great day just to stay away from the fray. You don't have to get into it. You don't have to force your opinion. You can just stay on the back burner and keep working on whatever it is that we're doing to make a life change. But we're going to have to set some healthy boundaries, and this is an energy on Wednesday. If we insist on pushing our agenda on Wednesday, we might receive some pretty violent emotional outbursts in return. So be conscious. If you feel you need to stand up for ourselves, if we feel we need to hold our power and stand up for ourselves, be ready for the verbal onslaught that we may receive in return. Just be conscious so that it doesn't sway us off our path. And then Thursday, it's almost like we just need a little time out. We've got the moon going into Aquarius. The moon's in Aquarius on Thursday. It went in late Wednesday night, and it's just time to do something different. Just take a break. Take a break from all the work that we're doing, the plans that we're setting, the life changes that we're making. And, we might just feel kind of like we want to go out and maybe buy something that makes us feel more like ourselves. Some kind of new piece of jewelry or something like that really is reflecting who we are becoming, because we're so proud of ourselves. We might want to go out and for lunch today at work, let's try a new place for lunch. Let's not go to that same place. Let's try something new for different. Just little things like that. Nothing big and outrageous, but just a time out. Take time out from all this hard work we're doing and gathering and getting support and embracing ourselves, and just do something different. Take a little walk on the wild side today, but not too wild. Don't get ourselves in trouble on Thursday. On Thursday, it's also Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day, and it's Remembrance Day in Canada. So we recognize both of those days on Thursday. On Friday, the moon goes into Pisces, and the sun in Scorpio is trining Neptune in Pisces. So it's just a day to process. Again, it's a day to process the week that we've just gone through. We're healing from what we went through yesterday. We may even be able to heal any kind of rift that happened yesterday when things got out of emotional control. If we are objective and tolerant and patient, we can heal whatever happened yesterday. And if we didn't kind of push our agenda, if we didn't feel that we needed to push our agenda yesterday to stick up for ourselves, it's a day that we can, again, kind of feel it's not going to go anywhere further today, but we will feel the support of those around us and a little bit more buy-in today. Our significant other may feel a little less threatened with the changes that we're making. things like that. So everything chills out. And with this energy on Friday, we want to continue to refine. We want to really be clear about our motivations, any kind of changes that we're making. So we're doing a lot of internal work on Friday. And if on Saturday we think it's a better day to make those changes, forget it. Don't do it. Again, it's a day from yesterday. Chill out. We're going to put our whatever we're working on. We might want to do some solitary work on it, but we're not going to like put it out there. We're not going to put it out there for other support because they're going to give us all kind of kickback today. But what we can do today is we can enjoy that Piscean energy by relaxing, by watching old movies, by hanging out with our honey on the couch, by enjoying a candlelight romantic dinner. You know, that's what we should be doing on Saturday. So, a great week ahead for really being in touch with our power, getting a feel for it this week, getting a feel for what a spiritual warrior is like, getting a feel for that energy. On Wednesday, we will be tested to see how well we have learned to hold our power. And then the end of the week, everything kind of chills out and we can rest on our laurels on Saturday for all the work we've done the week before and just hang out with our friends or our honey bun. So great week ahead. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages there. And if you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share it. I would greatly appreciate it. Please comment anything that you'd like to see on the channel that you're not seeing now. I have a couple of ideas to add when the channel comes back full force. So I want to see what you're thinking as well. Remember, everyone, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel: life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week ahead. Hold your power. Namaste.